Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix a Google Drive sharing link that's not working. If people can't access your file or are getting an error message, we will walk you through some simple steps to get it sorted. Now, let's get started. If a folder is not working properly, the first thing to check is its sharing settings. We just need to right-click and go to Share. From here, we will set it back to anyone with the link. Sometimes it's just a glitch and the setting hasn't updated. It may have switched back to restricted mode, so it's worth double-checking. Once it's set to anyone with the link, we can copy the link and share it with others. Another way to fix the issue is to re-upload the folder. We remove the old one and then upload the files again to Google Drive. After uploading, we go to Share and update the sharing settings so Google Drive registers the change. We can also try opening the link in an incognito or private browser window. This gives us a clean, fresh session with no cached data. We should also copy and check the link carefully. We can do this by pasting the URL somewhere to review it. Sometimes part of the link gets cut off when sharing, so it's always good to double check. Once we've gone through all these steps, we will have fixed the Google Drive sharing link. The link should now be working correctly. With these simple fixes, we can make sure our files are accessible to the right people without any issues.